Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some new toggles that this game has. In the latest mini update, it's really small, but if you go here and press this headband, there's going to be two more toggles to fit the head better. And also there's a new toggle on the bonnet. This is the first one, second one, third one. It just fits the head a little bit better. There's also some more, but it's in the VIP section. If you go here, and if you select the bow dress, you can use only the skirt like this. And my favorite new toggle is definitely this new, well, it's not new, this dress. It's the glittery one. I love it a lot. It's just so cute. It's way better than the glossy one, might I add. It just, look at it. Wow, that's amazing. I absolutely love it. So yeah, those are just the new toggles that they have on this super small update. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.